everyone, this is Bartosz here, recording from my studio in Dallas, Texas. Today is Monday, almost the end of the September. It's 28th of September. I am now in the studio. I received some packages from Amazon. I ordered a pen. What's the name of that pen? Made in China. It's just like a touch screen pen that I can use for my iPhone and iPad. I plan to use Photoshop Sketch on my phone, and I need I need something a little bit more detail oriented than my finger itself. I can't really go into details and precise lines just with my hand, so I decided that maybe getting a pen will be a nice thing. I didn't get the most expensive. This is very simple one. I can't read the name of this company, but if you can try, can you? Let's see. If you can try to read it, that's great. So far I like it. It's not that heavy and works perfectly fine on my phone, so I'll be happy to use it. I started actually using Photoshop Sketch a couple of days ago, and I realized that in order to make better sketches, I definitely need a pen like this to make a little bit more precise sketches. Another thing I have is just a simple thing. It's a bulb for my daylight. What they call it? They call it a happy light. So it's basically, when I lived in Idaho, Idaho had a really short summers and pretty long winters, and literally sun was rising there. The first rays of the sun was like close to 8 AM almost in a winter time, and as soon as 4 PM it was already dark. So when I was sitting at my desk in the studio, I always wanted to have some type of light that can improve my life, my quality of life. And when I was moving to Dallas, Texas, I accidentally broke the bulb, and I needed a replacement. And I actually figured out and got to know that it's not so cheap business. Those bulbs are pretty expensive, and at the moment, for a moment, I was actually considering to buy a completely new lamp with a bulb, because it was almost the same price as just a bulb itself. But I felt really bad that I would have to throw away still working lamp, so I decided to just get the bulb itself. So that's my life in the studio. When you get to those details, that's how it is, and that's what you need to listen. Another thing that I bought is wireless tablet. Yeah! And I need this tablet for less than or equal to catalog that I'm working on. One of the catalogs is strict like a pure album with beautiful photoshopped and cropped images, where the other one is more like a behind the scene form of showing my work. So that's why I need the tablet, so I can actually write some things and maybe compose something by using a tablet. So that's what I'm going to do. mostly I'm going to use images from my phone, like images from studio and work in progress, or like whatever happened during that time, and I'm going to use that as a form of update for the catalog. It's nicely packed. I bought XP Pen Company. I read reviews on Amazon. People were saying pretty good things about it, considering the price, of course. It was not that expensive. It was actually relatively cheap. It was, I believe, $58 or $69. I don't remember now. So not that bad, isn't it? And it comes with a pen, comes with a glove, and charger. And also beside the charger I also have wireless connection to the laptop, so I can use it wirelessly once it's charged. As far as I remember, it lasts about 8 to 10 hours fully charged, and they even provide a service, so that's good. Oh, it was made in Japan. Let's see. Doesn't say. It's only say warning about electric shock, and pretty much it made in China. So maybe it's a Japanese design, but just made in China. As you can see, it has a button to turn on, and the light showing connection to the Wi-Fi, and some other battery level. Probably this is if the pen is active or not, and some other functions like zoom in, zoom out, go back. I don't know what's that, and end. So we'll see. I'll see it once I start using it. I will know more about it. It also comes with a pen tops replacement. So that means that over time, when I'll be using it, they might just go away by just sanding themselves on the surface. I had something similar before when I was at school during my bachelor, and I was actually using it quite often, but more and more when I got involved more and more with painting on canvas, I stopped really using those graphic design programs, and I felt like maybe it's a good time to start using. Sorry, I dropped a couple things. This, I don't know what it is. I have to see. And here is the pen. Yeah, I will read the manual, and it comes with a glove. I've never used a glove like this, so I don't know if I'll be actually okay with wearing the glove while I'm working on this tablet, on this graphic drawing tablet. So yeah, there is a manual, easy peasy. I'll do that, and I'll see how it works. You will see results on my catalog. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.